Mr. Yaduvanshi has been called for questioning as far as his role as mining secretary from 2006 to 2011 when he was posted here in Goa. As of now, the questioning is still being continued, and it will, in other cases and in other condemnation, illegal condemnation files, we have again called him tomorrow and also on Monday. So the questioning will continue for next few days. As of now, I cannot comment on exactly what is he saying or what is the progress as far as the interrogation is concerned. As and when the IO decides, it's his discretion. But we have again summoned him.
Maybe arrest him?
I cannot comment on this